Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the goal-based agent. In the last class we had the discussion about a simple reflect agent and a model-based agent. Suppose if the driverless car moves along the straight line without any obstruction, the car moves along the road smoothly. When the obstruction comes, suppose the front side there is another vehicle is going along the same line. Then the front car applied brakes. So suddenly applied brakes means it will be indicated with the tail lamps of the front vehicle. So the backside your driverless car is available. It will sense that one, the red signal of the red lights of the front car, and accordingly it will apply the brakes. So that is simple reflect agent. Suppose say if it is if the same driverless car moves along the main road, a cyclist entered into the way, then your car identifier, your agent, driverless agent identify that situation. So in order to avoid the accident, it will apply the brakes. So when to apply the brakes so that it won't create any accident to the person, that will be taken into history, the knowledge. With the knowledge, it is going to execute the actions to avoid the accident to the person, and sudden braking is not applied for the vehicle. So slowly the vehicle brakes will be applied, taking knowledge into consideration. This is the model based agent, reflect agent. And now if the driverless cars moves along the line without any difficulty, suppose if it is reached a crossroad, then it will have some difficulty. Which path it has to take? Whether it has to go left side, right side, straight, front, or back side. Because it is having only two conditions. Whether any obstruction comes, we have to apply the brake, or when the obstruction is far away, how to apply the brake. These two conditions will have, basically it will have condition rule. So if the condition exists, it will take the action. But human being works for thing in the real life for reaching the destination. Similarly, a driverless car moves along the line. It is having a knowledge only with the obstruction only. It will taken into actions. But it is not having any goal where to reach. What is the desired state? It is not available. There is a goal state. It is not available. Because of this, when there are certain options, which options he has to take, there will be no goal. So in these situations, the simple reflect agent or model based agent may not works. So a agent should be designed such a way that it will having certain destination, so that the agent will work for reaching the destination. This is the goal based agent. Suppose the environment is a road and your agent is a driverless car. The environment sensed by the agent sensors, and it will take the current state, that is with the perception, it will take the current state into consideration. The same state, what is the world is like now means the current state. The current state is compared with how the world evolves means history, that is a knowledge. So these two will be compared. So for this with the applications of knowledge and for the current situations, if the action is taken, so what happens in the future or environment, that will be compared. So with that the thinking, so with this methodology, it will go for applying taking the actions. In addition to this one, when you apply the actions, what the destination, so whether I am going to reach the goal state or not. So the instead of if and else condition rules here, the agent will have a goal state for reaching the destination. So whatever the actions it will going to take, it will aim for reaching the goal state or desired state. So accordingly, it will give the instruction to the actuator to work to apply some effect on the environment. This is the goal based agent. These points we can explain. It is a model based reflect agent. It is a simply expansion of the model based reflect agent. These kind of agents take the decisions based on the how far they are currently from the goal state. So that's a goal means it will always check whether the goal is reached or not. So how far it is your destination. Then whatever the actions it will going to take, it will be aimed for reaching the goal state or desired state. The goal based agents are more flexible, and because when you are reaching the destination, there are n number of options. So search will provide the options for reaching the goal state. So with that available options, which one is the better with a certain criteria, it will go for the implementation of the planning. So it will take care of the it will plan the actions. So based on the usually for every solution there will be n number of options. The options will be given by search. Based on the search, what are the options are available, it can sense, and based on the goal state and the requirements, it will plan the actions. That's all about the video. Thank you.